How to use the washing machine. Once you put your clothes inside the washing machine, check that the power is on, open the water, turn it on, select super clean, select the amount of water. 5 is full, 1 is very low water. I usually put it 4. You put your clothes, open gently the container of the soap. Here goes the powder and here goes the softener, which is here. 1 spoon of powder is enough. It goes there. One bottle of softener is enough. There goes on the right. You close gently, wiggling, and it's ready to start. Once you set up, you just have to press start, and the machine will start. Thank you.